Hello and welcome to Unleash the Power of Your Life Path Number, a beginner's guide to numerology. Numerology is an ancient science that uses numbers to understand the deeper meaning and purpose of our lives. Your life path number is one of the most important numbers in numerology, and it can reveal a lot about your personality, strengths, challenges, and life purpose. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of numerology and help you understand how to calculate and use your life path number to enhance your life. First, let's start by understanding what numerology is. Numerology is the study of the symbolism and meaning of numbers. It's based on the idea that everything in the universe vibrates at its own unique frequency, including numbers. By studying the numbers in your life, such as your birth date and name, you can gain insight into your personal strengths, weaknesses, and life path. Now, let's talk about how to calculate your life path number. To calculate your life path number, you'll need to add up the digits of your birth date. For example, if your birthday is May 8, 1990, you would add 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 32. Then, you would add the individual digits of the sum, which would give you 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, in this case, your life path number would be 5. Each life path number has its own unique qualities and characteristics, and it's important to understand what your life path number means to gain a deeper understanding of yourself. Here's a brief overview of each life path number and its characteristics. Life path number 1, independent, ambitious, and innovative. Individuals with a life path number of 1 are natural leaders who are driven to succeed. They're confident, self-motivated, and always looking for new challenges. Life path number 2, cooperative, sensitive, and empathetic. Individuals with a life path number of 2 are naturally gifted in the arts of diplomacy and compromise. They're often peacemakers and mediators, and they're highly intuitive. Life path number 3, creative, expressive, and optimistic. Individuals with a life path number of 3 are natural artists, writers, and musicians. They're energetic and enthusiastic, and they love to spread joy and positivity wherever they go. Life path number 4, practical, reliable, and hardworking. Individuals with a life path number of 4 are natural organizers and problem solvers. They're detail-oriented and focused, and they have a strong sense of responsibility. Life path number 5, adventurous, spontaneous, and curious. Individuals with a life path number of 5 are natural explorers and risk-takers. They're independent and always on the move, and they have a thirst for knowledge and excitement. Life path number 6, loving, nurturing, and responsible. Individuals with a life path number of 6 are natural caregivers. They're compassionate and nurturing, and they have a strong sense of responsibility towards their family and community. Life path number 7, intellectual, introspective, and spiritual. Individuals with a life path number of 7 are natural seekers of knowledge and wisdom. They're analytical and introspective, and they have a deep appreciation for the mysteries of life. Life path number 8, ambitious, confident, and successful. Individuals with a life path number of 8 are natural leaders who are driven to succeed. They're confident and assertive, and they have a strong desire for material success and financial stability. Life path number 9, compassionate, humanitarian, and selfless. Individuals with a life path number of 9 are natural healers and humanitarian leaders. They're compassionate and empathetic, and they have a strong desire to make a positive impact on the world. It's important to note that your life path number is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to understanding yourself and your life path. Numerology also takes into account other numbers in your life, such as your soul number, expression number, and more. In conclusion, numerology can be a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. By understanding your life path number, you can gain a deeper understanding of your strengths, weaknesses, and life purpose. So, take the time to calculate your life path number and start using this knowledge to unleash the power of your life path. Thank you for watching, and we hope this beginner's guide to numerology has been helpful for you.